Before the weekly analysis begins, I just want to let you know that I do have a Patreon page. We have two tiers available. The first tier is called Start Off for £15 a month, and what you will receive is access to a Discord server containing the beginners, intermediate, and advanced course, risk management course for Elliot wave trading, as well as financial literacy content. This tier is also for those who want to learn at their own pace and generally just support what I do and just join a community of like-minded traders. The second tier that I have is called the Waveologist for £35 a month, and what you receive is everything that I mentioned above with the addition of specific chart requests for me to annotate on a daily and weekly time frame, and one-to-one support or group sessions depending on how many people have subscribed to this tier. The group or one-to-one sessions are for those people who want a little bit of extra help with their Elliott Wave education, and also give the opportunity to ask me as many questions. Please do keep in mind that these are going to be 1 hour sessions depending on how many people have subscribed, and also I would say please do consider joining. It is really good value for money, and without further ado, let's get into the analysis. Alright, so this is going to be my count on the S&P 500, but first of all, any views or opinions expressed in this video do not constitute trading or financial advice. Um, so let's start. Since 1932, this is the historical chart, by the way, of S&P 500. And since 1932, we've been extremely bullish. You know, the market has been giving us higher highs and higher lows along the way. And I want to find out where we are currently in this market. Which wave are we currently in? So let's start from here, from the bottom. We have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which gives us our wave 1, which seems to me that it's a leading diagonal. And then we have an A, B, C, which gives us a wave 2. And it looks like to me it's rejected about 50 to 61%, 61.8% retracement of wave 1. And then we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a wave 5. And this is an extended wave 3, and wave 4 and wave 5 do not, wave 1 and wave 4 do not overlap. And then we have an A, B, C as a wave 4, and it looks like to me that this is currently the fifth and final wave. So altogether, this gives us a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. But where are we currently in this wave 5? So we have to count the subdivisions of this wave 5 to find that out. And if you look at it from here, so we got a wave 1 here, a wave 2, and then we have a 1, 2, 3, and this is a wave 4 of 3, which looks like it's an expanded flat or running flat. And then we have a wave 5. So this to me is a 1, 2, 3, and where we are currently is in a wave 4 of the wave 5 in the higher degree. So let's get into the chart and let me show you where we are. So this is currently the wave 4 of wave 5. Okay, so this is the the smaller degree wave 4 in the higher degree wave 5, if that makes sense. So let's add my annotations, and from what we can see, just by starting off the top, obviously we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is essentially the extremes of wave 3 of wave 5, and wave 3 basically finished here, and where we are currently is in this sort of correction right here. And I'm going to go through this entire correction and explain my count. So what we have here is simply a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a wave 5 that gives us an A. Then we have a 3-wave corrective move with wave B, and then we have an ending diagonal as a wave C. So this gives us a 5, 3, 5, which gives us a zigzag pattern, and that gives us a wave A. Then we have an A, B, and a C, which seems to me like it's another 5, 3, 5, another zigzag, giving us a wave B. And then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, which seems to me is constitutes to a expanded flat, and then it's given us a 5-wave move down to give us our wave 5, and then that gives us our wave C. So we have an A, B, C, and that gives us our wave W in the higher degree. Then we have this long corrective move right here, which has rejected I think 50%, yep, 50% retracement of wave W, and this is simply our connector. So this is a corrective connector that connects this move with the next move to come, and that simply gives us well, it gives us a WXY here, a WXY, Y. Let me just change that into a micro, and let me just change the color of it so it's a bit more neater. Bear with me. There we go. So we have a wave W, X, and a Y, and that gives us our wave X. And now where we are is we have a wave 1, a wave 2, so this subdivides into 5 waves. Wave 2 subdivides into 3 waves, and then we have a wave 3, which is another 5 waves, 4, 5. This pattern right here is a leading diagonal. Wave 3 can't be the shortest, wave 5 is shorter, and wave 3 is definitely longer than wave 1 and wave 5. And then we have an A, B, well, so not an A, B, C, sorry, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, or 1, 2, then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So this to me seems like it's a leading diagonal as an A, then a B, then we have a wave 1, 2, 3, and then this is a 4 as a running flat, and then a wave 5. So this to me is a 1, 2, 3, and then we have a 4, and then this is a wave 5 right here. So this is an A, B, C, giving us our wave B, and where we are currently is we're currently making another move, in my opinion, towards the downside in 5 waves, and that would essentially give us a wave Y. And if you go into the 4-hour time frame, this has given us a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is extremely impulsive, and it has definitely broken market structure along the way, as you can see. And where we are currently, since market structure has been broken, we are currently in that corrective move to eventually retest previous levels and hopefully reject the 50-61% level, to eventually give us our third leg down towards the downside. And in terms of the overall count, this has given us what we call so far a double combo. A double combo is simply a W, X, Y. So long as this level right here, just get my horizontal ray. So long as this level right here is not invalidated and the market does not push towards this level and it rejects between 50, 61 or 78.6%, and we start to see after price action confirmation a sign of rejection, and we start to see some bearish momentum coming in, this to me is going to move impulsively to the downside, another 5 waves giving us a zigzag, and this will eventually give us our wave Y. And then from there, as this is the 4th wave of that 5th wave, I am going to still say that we might expect one more push up in an impulsive wave to give us our 5th and final leg before we start to see some bearish movement coming back in, bringing this market to the downside. I hope you guys enjoyed my account. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. I do have a Patreon that's in the description for those that are interested in mentorship. I have a Discord community for those people that want to join a like-minded community of Elliot Wave traders. And yeah, I'll see you guys until the next one. Take care.